Hey everyone, Kevin the Toy Smuggler here. Excuse the mess, I'm in my art room here and I'm working on a couple of hot projects for Battlegrounds Comics and Games down here in Dalton, Georgia. That's that company I do all the restoration and stuff with. And I got a big Legacy Falcon here and a vintage G.I. Joe Whale. Ooh, they need some touch-ups, some cleanup, but I'm sure we're going to take this home here another week or so. But I'm going to do a very different video for you guys here today. Something a little different. I'm going to be filming actually at Battlegrounds this Saturday, the 26th. They got a big, huge, like one-day mini-con going there, and I'm going to be set up there. And I'm also going to be filming about 3 or 4 episodes there. So I just want to hey, Paul Parker, I know I told you I was going to do a video on a vintage Dagobah and one that I did. So that is coming right after those videos. So I just want to let you know that I didn't forget about you. But today I got something a little special, a little something different for you guys. A good buddy of mine from about 13 years ago and still a good and strong friend today, Spike the Fox, he has requested, he asked me a question on, he said about several years ago, Kevin, that you mentioned that you actually auditioned for the Crow movie. So, and yes, I did, and we did it and everything, but Sony pushed back the timeline like that happens like almost most movies nowadays. Everything keeps getting pushed back. Well, anyway, nothing ever came out of it. I actually met James O'Barr a little over a year ago, and that me and him was talking, and if I'm not mistaken, Jason Momoa is being casted to play the Crow. Well, anyway, during this little audition, I got to play T-Bird. So I just thought I'd share that with you guys and let you kind of see some of the things I do on the acting side of everything. So I hope you enjoy.
That's what I'm talking about. Come here, sweetheart. Mine tonight. Oh, honey, yes, you are. If I say you're mine,
Shelly! Shelly!
come on, boy! I ain't through with you! Don't think it, but that's... Oh, no. I wouldn't have to get him off me. I got something ready for you. Come on, boy. Just a little bit more. Oh, you can do it. I know you got it in you.
Excellent. The sound finally works. Alright. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that video. Funny thing is, we actually filmed that at down in Alabama at the big college and everything, and got down there. Gosh, took me a little over 4 hours to get there, and things got a little crazy and everything. Well, I ended up in the director's chair on that deal. So I really enjoyed hopping in there and also playing T-Bird. But it's a little crazy that night. We had to do a whole lot of footage in such a short amount of time. But I had a lot of great fun with it. Like I said, and I've talked to James O'Barr 2 or 3 times since then. So, like I said, it was an experience that I'll never forget. You know, whether anything comes out or not, I really don't care. So, like I said, sometimes you just got to really put yourself out there and just have some fun. And that was one of them things that I never got to do. And I really enjoyed it and kind of showed everybody, hey, not only can I jump behind the camera, I can jump in front of the camera. You got to just have fun and wing it, and you'll never grow if you never put yourself in these positions where you can be challenged and pushed, and that's, sometimes it don't work out, but that's the only way you can grow. So, ladies and gentlemen, join for me next time. Like I said, I'll be filming at Battlegrounds this weekend on the 26th, so we got some cool videos going to come out of that, and just stay tuned. We got a lot of cool stuff coming out in the future. I'm Kevin the Toy Smuggler. Oh, I'll tell you, this thing has been a pain in my butt. Definitely works.